Parts of Florida are left devastated after Hurricane Idalia. Communications director for the American Red Cross says they already have people on the ground providing assistance with over 300 volunteers there.
So we're going to be doing sheltering, but we're also going to be in the community feeding people because they don't have a way to cook when the power's out for weeks. We're going to be providing water, cleanup kits to help them clean their home if their home is still livable. And we're also providing that spiritual care piece, but also financial assistance to those that have lost everything and have just been completely devastated by this storm.
Roland tells us that there are thousands of people in shelters that the Red Cross has in place right now in Florida. 12 News is teaming up with the Red Cross, by the way, to help those impacted by Idalia. Scan the QR code on your screen with the camera app on your smartphone, and it'll take you to the Red Cross, directly to them, to their website where you can donate.